he's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night.
What's up guys, and welcome to your 5th Java tutorial. In this episode we'll be going over arithmetic operators, and that is just like the rules of operation that you learned in elementary school. So you do your multiplication and division first, and then you do your addition and subtraction. And we're also going to be going over unary operators, which is just a shorthand way of adding or subtracting 1. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create our public static void main, and inside that method we're going to declare 3 different variables. One of them is going to be int x, which we'll set equal to 10, and int y, which we'll set equal to 5, and int result, which will equal x plus y. And then we will display that. And then we will modify result to set it equal to x minus y, and display that result. And if we run this program, we should get 15 and 5. And we see that we do. So that's how addition and subtraction work. It's very simple and straightforward. And now let's try multiplication and division. And now if we run it, we should get 50 and 2, which we do. Now the tricky part is that if we were to change the value of y to say 3, and we run this now, it's only going to give us an integer value of 2 for division. And that is where the modulus or remainder operand comes in. So let's set result equal to x modulus y, or x remainder y, and let's display that result. And now if we run it, we should get a remainder of 1, which should be displayed after 3, which we do. So now we've gone over multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Now let's build on addition and subtraction a little bit. And say we just wanted to modify our x values and our y values, so we don't need result anymore. And we want to increase x by y, and we want to change x to be x plus y. We could do x is equal to x plus y, or even let's just do 1. X is equal to x plus 1, and let's display x. So we should get x is equal to 11. And that works. So x is now changed to the value 11 until it needs another operator that changes it, such as minus. Now x should be equal to 9, and it is. Instead of doing it this way, we could use another method of doing, say, plus equals, and what this is saying is x is equal to x plus 1. And we should get the value 11, which we do. And this can be done for subtraction, multiplication, and division. It doesn't matter what operator you use, they should all work. But say we just wanted to increase by 1. Instead of doing this, we could just do a simple x plus plus, and that's just saying that we're increasing x by 1. And we're doing it after we use this value. That's important to note for loops, because you can increase x before you do anything to it, and that's just doing plus plus x. Now this one can be used for the addition and subtraction modifiers only. Now let's apply what we've learned and let's make a program that will convert degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to need to create two integers. One of them is going to be the Fahrenheit value, and let's just set that one equal to 32, because we know that at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, Celsius degrees is 0. And then we'll create our Celsius, and we're going to set that equal to the algorithm, which is 5 times Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 9. Now, normally this would display as a double, but since Celsius is an integer, it's only going to be an integer value. And then we need to display it, so system.out.println and Celsius. And we can add more to this, like say Fahrenheit degrees, so let's do that. Fahrenheit plus degrees is plus Celsius is Celsius degrees Celsius. That's Celsius. And if we run this should say that 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius, if we've done everything right. And we see that 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius. So we've successfully created this program and gone over the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and unary operands. Thanks for watching, guys.